Hi guys, my name is Vinod Porzale. Today's date is 12th Jan 2022, and today's topic is the multithreading in Java. What is the multithreading in Java? Multithreading in Java is the process of the executing the multiple threads in simultaneously. It is called as the multithreading. Multithreading is the highlight and the sub process of the smallest unit of the process. And multiprocessing is the multi-threading. Both are used to achieve the multitasking, and we can use the multithreading then the multiprocessing because the thread used to share the memory area. They don't allocate the separate memory in the area, so save the memory and content to the switch cache between the thread and take the less time than the processing. Java multithreading is the mostly used to games and animations. In the advantages of the multithreading, first is the it is a don't block the user become to the threads, and it is the depend on the can be perform the multiple operations at a time. And second is the you can perform the many operations together to the so then save the time. And third is the thread are the independent, so it is the don't affect to the another threads if it is the expressions acquire to the single threads. uh, in the multithreading is the process of the executing the multiple tasks in simultaneously. We can use the multithreading utilized to the CPU, and the multithreading is the achieve the two ways. First is the process based multithreading, and second is the thread based multithreading. So first is the process based multithreading in multiprocessing. So each process has to be addressed in the memory. In other words, each process allocate to the separate the memory area. We can cost of the communications between the process of the high and cost of the communication between the process of the high. And last is the switch the from one process to the another require the some times for saving and the loading the registers. And second is the thread based multithreading. In the threads share to the some address and pace. And threads is a lightweight, and cost of the communication between the threads is the low. What is the thread? A thread is the lightweight and the sub process the smallest unit of the processing, and it is the path of the execution sequentially. And thread are the independent if there some occur, the exception is one thread, and it is the don't affect to the other thread. It is used to the share the memory. These types of the using the threads in Java. Thread classes are the different types. In Java provide the thread classes to the achieve the thread programming. So in thread class provide the constructor and methods to create the perform the operations on the thread. In the multiple threads are the available in run method. These methods are the in Java used to the using the in the thread. So this all about the multi-threading. So thank you guys.